Y'all do know it's Subscribe Sunday, right? Yeah, so go on and smash that button. What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and today we will be unboxing our June's premium box from BoxyCharm. I didn't look in it. I don't know what we have, guys. Y'all know my track record with BoxyCharm, so we won't be long today. But if you want to see what's in June's BoxyCharm, you know what to do. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, as I said before, and I'm your host for this beautiful Father's Day Sunday. I want to say a big happy Father's Day to all of the fathers, stepfathers, brothers, uncles, anybody that is a strong, positive male influence on our younger generation. Happy Father's Day to you guys. Happy Father's Day to my daddy. I love you so much. Y'all, it's Sunday, so I want to be as positive as can be. So we're going to cross our fingers and hope for the best, okay? Let's get some specs and unbox it. For our drink today, I'm just drinking some vitamin C, orange juice. So this is the premium box, guys, which is the middle child of the base box and the luxe box. This is $35 per month plus tax. It's free shipping. You're supposed to get 6 to 7 full-sized items in this box. They also allow you to choose one item each month. The premium box is supposed to have a value of at least $175. And there's a link down below, guys, if you want to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Let's grab our box cutter and let's cut this baby open. Okay, we got a card. We're starting off good already. The box comes like this, guys, with the blue inside saying BoxyCharm Premium. So the theme for the month, guys, is Oasis right here. And on the back is a list of all of the products I received this month, as well as the total. And I have variation number 34, guys. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of the box is the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes that I just received in my base box for this month. Yeah, I'll link that one down below or up here somewhere so you guys can see that, because I didn't think we were supposed to get repeat products. However, this is my first product. These are the lashes here, guys. Same exact lashes here. The style is called They're Real, I Swear. And that's the lashes right there, guys. Very natural lashes. I'll be putting this in a giveaway. And these guys are the Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in the style They're Real, I Swear. And they retail for $14.99. Okay. I'm gonna try not to lose my cool in this video, y'all. I'm trying hard. So we received something I am excited for, the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Here, there we go. And y'all do know that if you use retinol, please, please, please make sure that you wear a sunscreen. Guys, even if you're not going out into the elements, still put a sunscreen on, which we should be wearing daily anyway, right? Yeah. All right, let's open this up because it does have a little piece of tape. And this is for dry to normal skin. I am combination oily, but I still will give this a try, guys. When we take it out, this is what the jar looks like. It's very cute. It's kind of shaped like an avocado. I like that. Let's see if they have a safety seal. They do. Let's pull that off. Give it a little sniff. It doesn't have a scent. And that's what the inside looks like, guys. So I am excited to try this out. I don't know how I feel about it being for dry to normal skin. If you have used this before and you do have oily skin, let me know how this worked out for you, okay? Let me read a little bit about this and then we're gonna get to the price. So it says, this cozy retinol powered sleeping mask has avocado matcha, gently soothing PHA, and encapsulated retinol, which is released throughout all hours of the night for skin recovery. Okay, cool. So you're just gonna scoop a dime-sized amount onto the skin as the final step of your evening routine. Okay, guys? And this, my loves, is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, and it retails for $49. Let's go on and hit that vitamin C. So next up we have from $1 Billion Brushes, this dual-sided brush here. Oh, feels very light. I don't really like the gold. I don't know. The bristles are very soft, guys. As you can see, it's on an angle here, this side. And this side is probably like for, I guess, eyeshadow or nose contour, I guess. This must be like a concealer brush. Let me see. Or contour brush, I'm sorry. It's a sculpting duo brush, the simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour. The contour side is densely packed angled brush, applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Now, it's not densely packed, guys. It's very, very soft and flimsy. And this other side here is the tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face, probably like your nose. And this retails for $30. Now, there's no way I'm gonna pay $30 for this brush. It doesn't even feel heavy. It's not I don't know, $30, I think that's a bit much, but okay. We're gonna remain positive. Well, I'll try. Let's move to our next product, which is the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner, and this is a long wear matte eyeliner right here. That's what the packaging looks like. And this is in the shade Trooper Black. Now, I know this was a product in last month's box. I did not get this in my premium box, but I saw a lot of bad reviews on this product from people's unboxings. So I'm not really sure about what I'm gonna do with this, but this is how it looks, guys. I'm sure you've seen this a million times. I don't know if I'm gonna I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, so I won't open it, but this does retail for $20, guys. If you have tried the black one, please let me know how it worked for you. I know a lot of the complaints was on the blue shade that they had last month, so just let me know how the black worked for you. Next product is from Skin & Co. And this is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. This is made in Italy. I don't know how I feel about shower gels, guys. It has lemongrass in it, wild orange. I don't know how I feel about a shower gel. Let me read and see what this is about. Like a delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day, when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobblestone streets. Girl, what are they talking about? This is free of parabens and mineral oils. This limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. I don't even know where that's at. If y'all do, let me know down below. This retails for $22, guys. And I'm not going to open this one either because I'll probably be putting this in a giveaway. I don't really know how I feel about this, guys. So this is okay, $22. And last up, we have a palette. And this is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. And this is what the outside packaging looks like, guys. This product, as well as the avocado mask, were guaranteed for the premium boxes this month. So I'm very excited about that. At least everyone got a chance to experience, you know, a palette. A spoiler, or should I say. All right, so when we take it out of the box, the packaging is gorgeous. That's what it looks like right there, guys. And I do love that there's like a little heart on the front. I just hope it's able to give me a little contour, huh? Yeah, let's see. So when we open it up, girl, we have a mirror. Hey, boo. I think, ooh, and y'all know it smells like chocolate. I actually think that this palette may work. I don't want to blind you guys, so I'm gonna turn it to the side like that. But this shade is actually a little deeper than is showing up on camera. And these are, I mean, these are pretty. I'll use this one as a highlight under my eyes. The bottom row, I can probably mix them to get a good bronzy shade, but I hope you guys are able to see all of the colors for what they are. I am gonna swatch this on my hand so that you guys can see, just in case you guys are sort of similar to my skin tone. All right, they do feel soft. That's how the first 4 look on my hands, guys. And that's what they look like on my hand there. This one is very, very like ashy gray, which is good for contouring, but I don't know if it's gonna work for me. So that's how they swatched out here, and the last shade being right there, guys. It's like a really close to my skin tone. So this one right here, and that's the rest of them. So I really don't know how this palette will work for me. I will use it though. I will actually probably put this palette in our first impressions video that's coming up. This, guys, is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, and it retails for $44, guys. All right, my loves, that was my final product in this month's BoxyCharm Premium Box. We're gonna quickly recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette here, Glow Recipe Avocado Mask, which I really am excited for this, Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel, the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner, the $1 Billion Brushes Dual Brush here, and the Lashaholic Repeat Lashes that I received in my base box. So that's 6 products for this month, guys. Final thoughts. So my final thoughts on this box is it better than my base box? Well, I would expect it to be, since it is $35. So I would say, yeah. Is it products that I will get some use out of? I would say, maybe. These 2 for sure, I'm definitely gonna try out. This brush, I probably will give to my niece because it just does not seem like it's worth $30 to me. The Inkwell Liner, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I know a lot of people don't want to receive Kat Von D products, so I don't know if I'll just practice with this or put in a giveaway or give it to my sister or somebody. I'm not sure. The lashes are a repeat item that I received not even last month, in my base box for this month. And the shower gel, I don't really, maybe this should be in like the luxe box, I guess, not the premium box. I don't know, guys. I think it was an okay box. I really think BoxyCharm should consider doing a makeup box, skincare box, and then a luxe box, because a lot of the products that we get, it doesn't really work with everybody's skin type, skin tone. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't think that it was a total dud for the premium box. Some of these products I would expect to see in a premium box, but to get 1 brush, lashes, like these 4 here, I could have done without, honestly. So, I mean, I'm not even gonna beat a dead horse, guys. Y'all already know my feelings on BoxyCharm. If you don't, I will link my base box and my last month's video and the month before that's video, so you guys can check it out and see how I feel about BoxyCharm. I'm just not even gonna go there today because it's Father's Day, it's Sunday, and I'm in a somewhat decent mood. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, this box is garbage. Throw it to Red Sea! Oh my God. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com. You know what I'm saying, boo. I'm gonna give BoxyCharm for the month of June a whopping 2.5, I guess. I don't even know, guys. I really don't even want to rate BoxyCharm anymore. And I know a lot of people ask, like, well, why do you still unbox it? I unbox it because I want you guys to see what paying customers receive, you know, and I want to be able to voice my opinion on the boxes and see if the box is actually still as good as it used to be, which from my opinion, it's not. And I just want you guys to know and see what, you know, different people get. So I will continue to unbox BoxyCharm. Now, I may not have all 3 subscriptions. I may cancel my base box and just keep the premium. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I know that you guys like to see BoxyCharm unboxed on my channel, so I will keep it here. Okay? Cool. So guys, that's all that I have for this bonus video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys are enjoying your Father's Day and you're cooking these men some good meals. You're rubbing their back and Yeah, whatever they didn't do for us for Mother's Day, huh? Right. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to your girl. I told y'all it's subscribing Sunday and it's free, boo. Go on and hit that button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm very active. Links are down below. That's all that I have, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Girl, we putting these videos out, huh? I'll see you guys tomorrow and in the comments later on. Bye, guys.